Alrighty guys, welcome back to Grim Reaper RC, and Optimus Prime is on the bench, so you guys know it's going to be a really good video. Make sure you guys stay tuned, you're not going to want to miss this one. It is absolutely insane. Alright guys, so welcome back to the video. Before we get into it, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and the post notification button so you guys get updated whenever I upload a really cool video just like this one. Alright guys, so let's get into it. So today on the bench we have Optimus Prime, and we did a really cool upgrade recently. As you guys can see, we are showing off the Chaos spiked rims. These are by RC 4-wheel drive. We also have the Michelin tires on here, but that is not what we upgraded. We put on the rear tail lights for Optimus Prime that are the same ones that he had on from the movie, the Michael Bay-verse movie. These are absolutely insane. So you can see Optimus Prime is coming together absolutely insane. We had to throw him inside the garage here. We've been recently doing a bunch of 1/14 scale videos and a bunch of 1/14 scale upgrades. If you guys haven't seen those, either those videos will be linked down below in the description box. So let's get this thing turned on and see what it's like. So as you guys can see, we do have this rear headache rack on here, but behind here, if we just squeeze in on those two black tabs, wow, he is extremely dusty. I will have to dust him off later on. I just don't want to destroy the paint. That's why I didn't do it before this video. Oh, this took absolutely so long to get done. Alright, so if we just reach on in here. Sorry, Optimus. We're doing basically some surgery. We just got to get that power adapter. Alright, so while I am fiddling with this, you guys can take a look at the rear taillights. Boom, there we go, plugged in. Alright, we're going to just wipe him off right here. Reach under here where the switch is. Turn them on. The remote's already on. You guys already saw that in the video. So he is on right now, which is perfect. We're just going to do a little quick test on the front lights. And the front lights are working. Also, if we pull Optimus back real quick, you guys also know that the sound kit's going on right now. We're just gonna pull him back just a little bit so that we can show off the front bumper real quick. Take a look at that Autobot logo in there. Isn't that absolutely insane? So we do have a full light kit set up in this. It is all the way around. This was a absolutely insane build, so let's grab the remote and we'll show off the taillights. Alrighty guys, so a little bit later you guys can do the math you saw when I started this and how much longer it took me to get it to here. But we got all of the lights on, so let's run through the functions. So if we go up here, it will turn off the hazard lights. So if we go up, it will turn them back on. If we go down, it will shut off the lights. We go one more time, it will turn them back on. We go to the front, we do get our top horns, and we do get the front lights. If we hit it one more time down, we do get our front daytime running lights, and we do get the amber lights that are right below right here by the Optimus Prime logo. If you guys want to see more videos on Optimus Prime, I will have them linked down below in the description box. This is wired all the way through here, and there are all little wires that are run all the way through here up and into the multifunction control unit, which is pretty cool. And that is powered by the Spectrum DX60 with the Spectrum receiver, which you can see glowing orange right there, which is pretty cool. I also am using a Venom 5000 milliamp hour 7.2 volt high powered NIMH. So we are actually going to go like this, and we're going to keep all of the lights on real quick. And if we do hit them one more time, it does turn them into a high beam mode. You did hear the transmitter beep, which it does beep when it does drop by the voltage. So that is basically the tail lights to Optimus Prime. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. Alright, we also do have one more thing. This is the fifth wheel, and we do have a Savox servo that is run down here, and that actually is functioned by moving the left toggle switch over 2 times, and it puts it into a stabilized mode where the drive gear side turns into your receiver, fifth wheel receiver, which is pretty cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. That is basically it for Grim Reaper RC. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the post notification button so you guys get notified whenever I upload really cool videos just like this one. Don't forget to share it with your friends. We upload basically every single Wednesday. I hope you guys enjoyed the video today. That's it for Grim Reaper RC.